Hello, I'm Jan from Advacam's technical support, and in this video I will show you how to use flat field correction. You can use this correction to enhance the quality of your X-ray images. So first of all, when you take an image with our detector, you can see some defects in the image. You can see the tiling artifacts. You can see some veins in the case of cadmium telluride, and you might see some clusters of dead pixels. Flat field correction helps you to reduce this noise and get better image. So how to do this? First of all, you need to take a flat field image. This is an image without your sample, and you will use this later as a correction in PIXet. To get a flat field image, just remove the sample. You can put some sort of flat filter in front of the X-ray source. For example, an aluminum plate or a flat piece of PMMA. If your acquisition time is short, use 4 times the number of frames in your flat field. If your acquisition is long enough, just use the same parameters as if you were measuring your samples. Now, when you have your flat field image captured, just save it in your computer and use it later. Now the rest of the procedure is very simple. Just take your image as before. And once you have the image, go to the filters panel, click configure filter, load your flat field mask, and click apply. So this is how you get an enhanced image with a flat field correction in PIXet.
Advacam, imaging the unseen.